Hello everyone. Here I am at Godafoss, and now the summer is slowly starting in Iceland, and snow is melting very fast. That makes all the rivers get bigger with more water, and this Godafoss is just now in full speed, and that creates like a water coming forward here on many places that is not coming on the winter time. This was named Waterfall of the Gods here, after the gods, the heathen gods that the Vikings had here before we took Christianity at the year 1000. I'm gonna show you this. This river is around 170 kilometers and comes all the way from Vatnajökull, the biggest glacier here. This is fourth longest river in all Iceland. So, I hope I see you in Iceland this summer. It's gonna be a good summer. Well, compared to Iceland. Have a good time. Bye bye.